What's going on, family? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about a new holographic sight. Let's go. Like I said, in this video, we're going to talk about a new holographic sight, and that sight is the Vortex AMG UH-1 Gen 2. We want to thank Vortex for sending this sight out. We're very excited to mount this sight to one of our new AR builds that we're working on. We've heard a lot of great things about this sight. You know what we're about to do. We're about to head over to the table to unbox this sight and let you guys see exactly what's in the package and let you guys see the quality of this holographic sight. Enough talking, let's head over to the table. Alright guys, so what we have here is the Vortex AMG UH-1 Gen 2 holographic sight. Let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging. Made in the USA. Of course, it comes with Vortex VIP warranty, unlimited, unconditional lifetime warranty. Yeah. Same thing, made in the USA. And this is what the reticle looks like. I like this reticle because this little notch right here is basically meant for 10 yards and under. So you're gonna zero this optic here, this sight at 50 yards. The dot is gonna be at 50 yards. So if you're 10 yards and in, sight over bore, basically you'll put this triangle at your intended target and you'll be on target. That's a great feature. Alright, so let's take this lid off, see what we got. Okay, first thing we have is the product manual. This is my first Vortex holographic sight, so I'll definitely be taking a look at this product manual just to see exactly how to work this thing. Of course, we got some padding, and that's how it looks. Let's go ahead and see what we got. It's a lens cloth, Vortex lens cloth. The battery comes with a Panasonic lithium battery. We have the sight, of course. Nothing else in here. Our first glance, man, this sight is amazing. Feels good in the hand. This is the back of the sight. This is the front of the sight. And what I like about this sight, the battery door here, is something very small, but it's big for me when you're dealing with a lot of optics and sights and stuff like that. This battery door, you don't need any extra tools or anything. Comes with this flap right here. You simply screw it off, screw it on, and close. It also has the rail quick connect here, and this is like a safety release and a quick connect. Like I said, this is the front, this is the rear. The good thing about this sight, it has easy controls. Bring the dot down, the dot power down, dot power up, and also has your night vision here, which is great. I'm actually in the market for some night vision. Kind of narrowed it down to what I want to get. I'll save that for another video. This thing has great night vision settings. We're definitely going to be putting all that to the test when we do our torture tests and stuff like that. This is how you adjust. So go up and down. So go left or right. Yeah, this thing looks amazing, man. Can't wait to mount this to an AR, get it zeroed in, and really test this thing out for you guys. Like I said, this was simply just an unboxing. Wanted you guys to see what you get in the packaging, let you see what the sight actually looks like. The next video, we're going to get into a lot of the specs. We're also going to take this thing to the range and zero it in and give our thoughts about the AMG UH-1 Gen 2. Let's go. Yeah, man, I can honestly say this sight seems amazing. I can't wait to mount it to one of our ARs, take it to the range, zero it in, and get some extensive use out of it. We will be taking you guys through the whole process. This video was just a quick unboxing, letting you guys know what's in the box, how the holographic sight looks, the quality that it's made with. You know us, man. We're gonna break it down from A to Z just for you. If you have this sight, let us know what you think about it and follow us along in the process. Hey, you can reach us at clarksfirearmtraining.com. Hey, it's the White.